All right, grade 2. Hello. Let's go over this ICT grade 2 semester 1 study guide for our test coming up. I'll share this slideshow with you so you can review it on your own. But please check the schedule to see when your class is taking the ICT practical lab and the ICT theory. The practical will be on computers in the ICT computer lab. I will be with you, Mr. Patron. And the theory will be on paper in your classroom. I'm not sure who the teacher will be, but they'll be terrific. So for example, 2A, you're going to take the theory on paper, first day Monday, period 3, right before lunch. And then you'll take the practical with me on Wednesday after lunch. And then grade 2 you can check. Okay? So be ready, be ready, be ready. Good luck on all your tests. Sugoi, you get so many tests. You'll do it. You're great. Daijoubu yo ne. Do you have an art test? You do. That'll be fun, I hope. Let's see what's going to be on our ICT test. Remember we did this drawing, your future job. You should take a look at that again in your notebook. If you didn't do one, you should think about making one. We did a drawing about how you would use computers at a job in the future. Okay, you drew some stuff. You didn't necessarily have to color it. And then you wrote some words saying how the computers were being used. This says TV to show students in class what we're doing. And then I had a laptop on the garbage to connect with the kids at home. So think about that. Something similar to that will be on our test. Next, look at page 14 and 16. These are the ones in chapter 1, I believe. We talked about the benefits of computers, how they can help us. And then limitations. Limitations is like something computers are not so good at. So at your future job, think about the benefits and limitations of using computers. Okay? This is from chapter 2. Check page 34. We have a bunch of questions about this email. We talked about this in class. Look at all these questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Review all those questions, please. And that should be it. So for the theory part, the ones on paper, will just be this, this, this. Okay, not too long, not too hard. Hopefully it's okay. For the practical one, I'm still trying to figure it out, but what did we do? We did endangered animals. Is that true, or is that G3? Let's take a look here real quick. Grade 2, we did my favorite toy. So you did something where you wrote me an email and you attached a movie or an image and then you wrote some words. We'll do something very similar to that. So just review how to, I think I sent you a video. I'll probably send it to you again. How to attach images, that was part of it. That's part of the technical stuff. And then how to write words in here, how to write a subject and do all this stuff in the email. So this is a great job by Rico. Good job. So that will be the practical part. So theory, practical, and then we're going to... So if you're going to be at school taking the test, that's great. If you're going to be at home, this is all you need to look at for this video. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. If you're going to be at home, you can watch the rest of this video and I'll go over the Juno pod with you. If you're at school, you can take a break. Bye-bye. Good luck on your tests. But if you're at home, stay with me. We're going to go review the Juno pod for taking the test online. Make sure you're logged into your student, not your parents, your UIAJP, student 1, student 1, student 1. You will find a link to the exam in your assignments. It'll be named something like this, semester 1, P1, ICT, G2, because you're G2, 2021. We're just going to look at this one. I will have a slide at the beginning explaining what's going on. This is the G2, explaining 2 different kinds of questions that you will see on our test. Okay, it looks like this. It's got arrows that go forwards and backwards. It tells you how many pages there are, how many questions. So we have just 3 because I'm showing you just 2 different kinds. There's going to be more on your test, but these are the only 2 kinds of question formats. The first one is called short answer. So I'll ask you lots of questions, and I'm going to ask you to type your answers in here. You can type full sentences. What is the weather like today? So if there's no cursor in there, you can go over there and click. What is the weather today? Today is cloudy and rainy. Will it make sure? Oh yeah, if it make a mistake, it'll say that's not how you spell it, and you'll say, is it rainy? And I'll say, yep. So today is cloudy and rainy. It's a nice period, capital letter there, full sentences if you can. When you're done with that, you can hit the arrow down here, go to the next one. So again, you'll have a bunch like this. I'm going to take this answer out just to show you what happens if you don't answer one of the questions. You can go back and forth. If you don't answer, you can go to the next one. Please draw. So another one, I'll have you do a drawing. Please draw a red circle and a green square. Then write C next to the circle and write S next to the square. So you have a nice big square here. Oh, at the bottom we have different colors. We can draw in green, red, blue, or black. And then we can undo something and go back or redo something. So it says draw a red circle. Let's draw a red circle here. I draw a nice circle. Wait, that's a circle, but it's not red, Mr. Patron. So we go to undo. I'm going to choose red. I'm going to make a nice circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but you get the idea. And then what did it say? Green square. I got this. All right. And I'll make a green square. Ooh, I don't like that. Let's undo. Let's try to make it a little straighter. So you can go back and change things if you need to. And then we're done. Oh, wait. Then write C next to the circle and write S next to the square. I'm going to do it in black. C anywhere near the circle is fine, probably. Whoa, what is that? Let's get rid of that. I'll put it next to it over here. And then square is this. Chicka, 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 chicka. That looks good. Okay. So I'm all done with that one. Check my question. All done. I'm going to go like this. And then it's going to go back to that question we forgot to answer. Okay, let's just put in rainy real quick. So that's a nice thing they do for you. If you forget to do one of them, if you skipped, sometimes you don't know the answer to one, so you just skip it and come back later. But if you forget to, then it's going to remind you. And we're done. So when you do all the questions, I believe there's 10 to 12, 14 questions on our test. And you feel like you're all done, you can cancel and go back. You can finish later. I don't know what that means, but you can turn in now. I'm ready to turn in now. Okay, and then I'll say you're all done, so you're all done. So those are the two kinds of questions you'll have. The short answer where you type it in yourself, and the drawing where you draw something and then write some words or something on your drawing. Okay, review these things, your schedule, and these different pages that I told you to review, and you will be okay for the test. Alright, good to see you. Good luck online. Bye.